morning we rehearsed Mahler's Second Symphony, Resurrection, a piece we are going to perform this evening. I hope that the audience will get through this beautiful music the great message of love, of hope, of beauty. The great thing about Mahler symphonies is generally the intensity of message that is really embracing us musicians, but also the listeners. I think the first thing for an artist is to do things in a very true way. If the audience feels that they are important for us, that we are really giving our best, I think that's the big first step. The most important qualities of an orchestra for me are the feeling for playing together, for being an ensemble, of a deep respect to other musicians. It's very much about human qualities as well. As I first met the WNO orchestra, it was a meeting with not only great professionals, but with people who really want to make music. People who really are searching for the best possible sound, for the best possible color, intensity, expression, articulation. It went beyond just cold professional relationship. We need to continue creating a sound of an orchestra that touches the heart of people. With the chorus of the WNO, I'm really enjoying making music with them. This is completely different than opera singing, which can contribute to the development of the company. So for the orchestra and for the chorus as well. I would really like to continue in working on this special sound from Mozart, from Bach and Handel, to contemporary music that can really send the message, that can touch the ears and hearts of the audience. Very much looking forward to conduct Rosenkavalier and Fledermaus, pieces that are so great for each musician of the orchestra and give us the opportunity to continue developing the great qualities of the orchestra.